Think about something you have always wanted to make. Now imagine drawing it up on a computer, and with the click of a button and a bit of patience, there you have it, right in front of you. This sounds like something out of a movie, right? Many people don't realize just how advanced technology really is. 3D printing is one of those technological advancements that seems to be overlooked. This is because 3D printing does not happen in common places. But what if I told you that you use 3D printed objects every day? Most of them are simple and don't catch your attention, but others can be complex and breathtaking and really get you thinking about how they were manufactured. But even with such high technology, not all printers are capable of printing anything you want. Most printers, if not all, have different specifications and restrictions. There are many different types of printers, but today we will focus on plastic printers only. But there are printers that are able to print using cement, metal, and even wood-like materials. Even though the material is different, the process is very similar. If we were to explore the plastic printer world, we would see that there are a few different types of printers that could get the job done. According to formlabs.com, the three most established types of 3D printers for plastic parts are stereolithography, also known as SLA, selective laser sintering, also known as SLS, and fused deposition modeling, also known as FDM. Even though the names might sound sophisticated, the purpose of these printers is to ensure the experience of the user and ensure the quality of the product based on what you're printing. Let's take the fused deposition model printer, for example. This is the most common printer to the general public. When you think of 3D printing, this is most likely what you're thinking of. Plastic material being melted using a hot tip while being directed by a control system on the printer that slides the nozzle to the designated location. The control system is receiving signals from the computer who is analyzing the part that has been drawn up. Within minutes, the computer can tell its dimensions and lay out a path for the printer. It then sends the coordinates to the system on the printer, and the hot nozzle lays down the plastic material, stacking it in layers until the designated height and shape are acquired. Manufacturing is a big part of why 3D printing was invented. According to manufacturingglobal.com, companies no longer have to predict consumer demands by gambling on how much to make. 3D printing can be used to create products based on demand. 3D printing has made possible many of the luxuries and simple things that we use today. For instance, kitchen utensils, tools, toys, inhalers, and the list goes on. This has all been possible thanks to 3D printing. And although most of these products don't need the use of 3D printing, imagine what kind of a shortage we would have if 3D printing was not around. There is so much that 3D printing has and will offer in the years to come. 3D printing has a bright future and is responsible for many of the technological advancements that we have today. The fields that 3D printing affect the most is both the scientific and medical field. Through 3D printing, we have been able to start the printing of houses, vehicles, buildings, prosthetics, bones, and even organs. According to the Future of Things, while an entire organ has yet to be successfully printed for practical surgical use, scientists and researchers have successfully printed kidney cells, sheets of cardiac tissue that beat like a real heart, and the foundation of a human liver, among many other organs. This speaks so much of the future of 3D printing and helps us understand what the new technology is doing to make the world a better place. There are so many more advancements that 3D technology has. There are so many advancements yet to come with 3D technology. But understanding the technology and how it is used will help us better understand of the products to come. 3D printing is one of the greatest advancements that humans have invented. The ability to design something and be able to print it the same day is amazing. Different printers give different results. And remember, when printing plastic with plastic, there are three main printers: SLS, SLA, and FDM. All these printers can be used to print any object, but their quality may vary. 3D printing helps us make the things we use today, like tools, kitchen utensils, and toys. The number of things you can print on one of these machines is infinite. The future of 3D printing is very bright and brings so many new ideas to life. So now I ask you, if you had one of these machines at your disposal, what revolutionary design would you create?